Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Huyndai Iquus. So first off, you want your ignition to be on. Then scroll the menus until you see User Settings and press OK. Then scroll down to Service Interval and press OK. So now in the service interval menu, press and hold the OK button until it says reset time and distance. Then you want to press yes on that and your new interval should be shown. Now this could be done in two different ways on these cars. Once you enter the service interval menu, it might be that you press OK first, then you need to set the actual time and distance using the directional keypad on the steering wheel. So if that's the case, do that. Then turn off the car, turn it back on to verify that your service light has been reset. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.